That is where we have to work together. The unification of our communities will create the strength of our peoples to go out there and to make sure to protect our language for our future generations. Our ancestors made sure today we're able to speak it. So we are the ones who are responsible to make sure in 50, 100 years from now to be able to learn it, to speak it.
I think if we had language groups in each community that worked together and that came up with solutions and shared. I mean, it's one thing to say we're going to help each other, but are we really going to share the tools amongst each other? Are we going to say, well, our money's paid for these tools and we're not going to release them or lend them? And I think that in this situation that needs to go, because every year that passes and every child that grows up not speaking it is how many more children that are not going to speak it because that one person can't speak.
Nin bem kisiguya mana no mana mimaji uyapchi wa han mi ani nai majayan dan des o koi ni na laula de ma mespantes la nena no chi de jigulo ko chi wen me kti ge gina ma sorti ja kada much pana get me de man dan winning na nege na ja na den what chi what majain.
Take that initiative and speak with them, because those are our teachers. Like, they know the language, they have the knowledge to teach us that language. And I think that we should be able to go work with them and sit down with them and learn the language and bring it back, because that's one way we're going to bring it back into the schools and bring it back to our younger generations, is by taking that, using the knowledge from the elders and having used that and bring it to the children.
Nego pasaga luego pobia mamul bugal pastan bolin nui sortiega meniak san mo kai ja malcheva iska bujit kai uksiega me gizi ma win nui sortiegas senia was school ma pais ki yo sigavi ma workshop am se mostle gizi go mi imagino wi go mojiga ma win nui sortiega gisortieg ta hoi pas na lo se bevani ma zais ni da jod li ma zaisi wi go me malcheva six duksidas ne men ai jem kunta sandeli sortimka ja sete ja
le gisu ke do dong stonu tang ko he luar mu ka si tang ko he mes ne bendu ga mi bi ja kana education directorate ta to will det to the university مش magazine man mo la release the exhibition.
I hope it starts speaking our language, Mi'kmaq, because a lot of people are not. There's most of the whole community around here is not speaking it. Gaspé is in theirs. Listakush is alright though. They got it.
Yeah, should be official language anyway. This language, huh? Is dan delva earlier on we got a dabo la Galisi do. Should be number one, Number one.
Ik moet wel dek, wel aardige. Sitting at the low again. But we only have to around the through to school. That's hello. I fully know. Young man medisch, Men wat de daar bezaden zo. Dat je liefst de meer cultuur.
Tidak boleh haja. Apjuninil das yaja a school complex MMS LMDC. Especially Communal Mina or Band Council. Me mama niks mocht in medicine away. Maar was een schoolcomplex om te doen.
En nu is het kwijt te gaan gezien hebben dan de lees op die op zich samen wie dat zegt. Kabunno la hamas mat kap to dandel lo gut li so de mino hamas panamitte des ko de do wi de ngam moy at plo da andal do de spanno wi zo no wi ti wa pilata mas ko ko yen do wi ga satte do hamas padeli mujik tala da hadna ni de lo gal ukta galukna so galukal el bug wi da dandal ta kisa al bug wi danan kishupi ne ko klima ko ben me ma jo wi ne gamo hamas padala da hadi un atli so de mino be min do la uskadu jik dandelia.
For the language, it's the beginning. Like it's the step of making a movement for the people and making it known like this is what we want. We want to keep our language. We want to preserve it. And I know it's just on paper, but making that first step and making it known like the people want to keep the language and we want to preserve it within our communities. And
Meski na delawek, mi machuino tan delawati ditch. Pisigo mi machuino ga me chka malchawet. Ketuna mi do ditchistige amquest glisoti miga mewe. Na ni delaway na neketa, edun wesku dasak, agonuta mahan, mawitam, pas miga mewe wesku dasak. Na meba mi ganateo. Nemitu abachasat de lapis.